Hey y'all, Shortbear here with another Codewars challenge. This one is a level 8 and it's in Python. And so the challenge is we want to add an item to an array, or if you're in Python, that's known as a list. So let's see how it works. All right, so we want to add the value Codewars to the websites array. After your code executes, the websites array should equal Codewars. All right, so doesn't look like there's a function here. So I guess we just websites is a list, and if you want to add something to a list in Python, it's going to be websites append Codewars. And let's see if this works. Imagine the tests are all right. Assign a new array websites variable. You should instead, after existing reference, the array is still empty. Okay, so add the value of Codewars to the already defined websites array. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's see if we do this. This one's weird because it's not a function. Used to, in Codewars, it's usually a function that you're running. So I guess this one will work.